So it's time for another trade recap. Today I took two trades. I lost one and I took a win on the second trade. And so today is kind of like break even. And yeah, uh first of all let me show you guys like as you guys can see on my dashboard, the first trade was $138 loss, and then we took another trade was 174, which ended up like I was making only $13 today, to be honest. And then I will show you guys my MT5 also, so that you guys don't think that I'm lying or anything. Let me just open my dash cam. 1 second, I just have to put
this down. So look here, this is our account, like you guys can see. And then let's go on chart. You guys can see that's where I entered and closed. And yeah, this would have been a better trade if
I held the trade, like I did not close it, but that's how it works. Let's go through my daily bias coming into the day. I marked out this high and this low over here as our high time frame drawn liquidity, and this is when market opened, when I was bullish for the day. Why? Because I really wanted to see these highs to be taken out, because there's two main reasons for me that I was bullish. The first reason was that when market opened, we came, took out this low. Like I had different bias on SPX500 and Nasdaq today. I did not have the same bias, and I don't know why. Like I don't know why I was thinking even like that. But I made a mistake today and I lost a trade. But yeah, let's first of all talk about this over here. Uh, we came, took out this 5 minute low over here, or you could say 50-minute low over here. And then I could also, if you go on hourly time frame, let me just, we had this from this low to this high, and price did come, fell into this equilibrium and fell more into this fair value gap over here. And then from there, I went on the 1 minute time frame after me losing a trade. Um, I really did not have a lot of confidence. There was only one confidence, and I took my trade based on that. Like two confidence, sorry. The first one was liquidity sweep, and then we had this inverse fair value gap over here. I did not wait for this fair value gap to get disrespected because I was 100% sure that it's gonna get disrespected. I kind of like wanted to snipe this trade because I had already lost a trade on SPX500. But yeah, I took it based on liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap. This is where I entered the trade, like right around. Let me just remove these so that like 150 pips should be. Mm, yeah, I entered right around there because I was 100% sure that it's gonna disrespect this fair value gap. Why? Because we had a really buy pressure to the upside. And then I barely got stopped out, but it went on, hit our take profit one, it went on, hit our final take profit, and like this take profit that I wouldn't be holding the position to. So this would have been my final take profit. But to be honest, I closed my position right around here. So I closed my position after it getting hit. We took out this high over here, and that gave me a 1 to 21 risk reward ratio. And if you guys are wondering why I closed my trade over here, is because I did not close it. Like first time it hit my take profit one, I did not close, and then I saw a big sell off to the downside, and then I was like, okay, I have already lost a trade. I don't want to lose another trade. I kind of want to manage my risk over here. And then after that, I was like, okay, there is a big chance that it wants to take us out, but price went higher. And once it hit this hour take profit again, I closed all of my position. And again, I'm saying the reason is because I had already lost a trade, and I usually take one trade a day because this setup was so good. That's why I took this trade. But if I hold the position, we would have been like almost a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, or you could say a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio trade. Uh, and yeah, this was the trade that I took. So now let's go on the SPX 500 and talk about the trade that I lost. So this is the trade that I lost over here. I think I did nothing wrong over here, to be honest. I followed my trading rule, my trading plan. And again, if you go on a higher time frame, coming into the market, I marked out this high, like this hourly high, this hourly high, and this hourly low as our higher time frame drawn liquidity. And then when market opened, as you guys can see what happened. Price fell to take out this low. You could say this 5-minute low over here, and then price went higher and took out these highs over here. As you guys can see, this is where like this candle over here came took out this high, and then I was like, bet. I went on 1 minute time frame. I was looking for confluence, and my confluences was there. As you guys can see, liquidity has been swept. We disrespected this bullish fair value gap over here, like this fair value gap. We had inverse fair value gap, and then price pushed into this bullish bearish fair value gap. Sorry, bearish fair value gap and closed just below there. And I went on and entered. I got entered right over here. I got entered really bad, but I got stopped out, as you guys can see over here, and price went even higher. The reason I took a short over here is because look, if it's gonna because we took out higher time frame drawn liquidity, like we took out this hourly high, something that I should have kept in mind that this high was just above there, so there is a big chance price wants to come and take out this high also. But then I was like, okay, we haven't taken out this low yet, we haven't filled into this fair value gap, and if you even mark like from this low to this high, we haven't filled equilibrium. Like there is a lot of confluences to the downside that has to be filled. So that's why I took a short trade over here, and I ended up losing, but I am at break even. I think what I could have done better was that we had a completely different price action when it comes to Nasdaq and S&P 500 today. So when I took the trade, again, there was like, let's see when I took this trade. This was right around 1552, and then if we look over here at 1552, like as you guys can see, we also had like this bullish fair value gap and this candle over here. As you guys can see, this is just a week, but I was seeing sell pressure to the downside, and I was like, okay, bet since Nasdaq hasn't taken out like this low, we took out this high, and there is a big chance that Nasdaq is also gonna push lower. And since we have taken out a high time frame like drawn liquidity on S&P 500, and yeah, that was for today's trade. I'm at break even. I did not lose anything, but it would have better if I had taken this trade a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, and like it is what it is, bro. That's how it works. Yeah, see you guys on the next video.